As the knowledge area name clearly states, project quality management is about the managing of quality for the project. This knowledge area incorporates many of the best practices and approaches of the larger quality management discipline, but only to the extent to which it supports the project. Project managers are responsible for quality in terms of their project. The project management body of knowledge is a guide to apply quality management best practices to the needs and expectations of your project. As you learn and apply this knowledge, you must keep it in the framework of a project and its management. All the approaches, best practices, tools and techniques, and processes revolve around meeting the quality needs of the project. Every project is unique. Every project has its own quality standards and expectations, and every project must be managed accordingly. In scope management, we determine what must be done. In quality management, we must determine to what degree the work and requirements are fulfilled. That level of quality and expectations are set by the project's stakeholders. As project manager, you must determine, set, and meet these project expectations.